Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play in the quietest stuff. Doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like.
Nakababa na kami, guys. Ito na kami sa may park. Yay!
So lucky to be yours. Yeah, you're taking me
So, yan. Ito yung baba namin. Ganda. So, may mga Seattle Beach. Dito yan sa Terminal 3. So, yeah. Maganda at mga pogi kong kasama. Hi! Ay, uy. Sobrahan ka sa pogi.
something about the way you move. No, there ain't no.
Anong boarding pass natin? Anong boarding pass natin? Gala girls na naman kami. Punta kami ng... So, this is your first travel?
First?
Travel?
No.
What? Where did you travel?
Boracay.
Boracay? No, outside.
Oh, yes.
Ah, how about you? Is this your first travel? Answer me. Answer me. Ikaw yung ilalagay kong thumbnail. You know what's thumbnail? Thumb. And then nail. Thumbnail. Eh. Let's go, guys. Talaga, pag tinatamad ka na maglakad. Diba? Uy, ayun na, te. Kasama na to sa vlog, te. Wow. So, Ate May, excited ka naman, Ate May. Ah. Excited na ba kayo, guys? Ay, excited na ba dyan, eh? Ate, pang part 4 ko to.
Sa'yo lang o sa lahat? You already have part 3?
Yeah.
Sure? Sure?
Hi. Yan. Hey. Wala. Apat na kahit eh. Excited.
Looking for a bar in the nearest town. Never seen a sky so
Excited na yan.
brightest sky.
Ano tayo, guys? Yan siya. We are in Taiwan. Again for the second time.
So lucky to be yours. And you take it. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you take it.
Pa more. Good. Good. Thank you.
When I first met you, listening to a
Yes, hi. Welcome to Taiwan, guys. Taiwan, there. So, kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ng lugar nila dito. I mean, yung airport nila. So, see you next. Bye-bye.
ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles.
我对他来看，晚上晚上。
Dito na kami. Kami ay mag-elevator pababa.
Jump
Ba yan? Dapat na si Taiwan siya.
town. I've never seen a sky so blue.